Well, as we all know by now, Obamacare is taking hold here. The Patient Protection Affordable Care Act was put into law back in 2010. And now this small business employer tax credit has been in place now for 2 years. Third year will be 2013. And the credit, by the way, is increasing from 35% to 50%. So here's the deal. If a small business employer has less than 25 employees whose average wages are less than $50,000, that employer is eligible for the 35% tax credit, which is a pretty good deal. Now, there are, of course, qualifiers here. One of the qualifiers is you, as an employer, have to have less than or equal to 10 full-time employees. Now, a full-time employee is an equivalent of 2,080 hours. So you add up all your hours, divide by 2,080 to get your full-time equivalent. And the average wages must be less than $25,000. If that isn't the case, well, then the credit is reduced somewhat. And again, that credit is going up to 50% in 2014. Self-employed individuals, 2% or more as corporate shareholders, 5% or more business owners, and family members do not qualify for this credit. The other qualifier is that, well, premiums have to be paid by the employer. And these premiums have to be not less than 50% of the premium for non-elective health insurance coverage. If the employer is entitled to a state tax credit for premium subsidy, that's not included in the test, but figured in the credit calculation. In 2014 and thereafter, employers must obtain health insurance through the Small Business Health Option Program, namely SHOP. In 2014, the new 2-year limit applies after the first year the employer files Form 8941, credit for small employer health insurance and premium. If you take it prior to 2014, it still takes in effect for 2 more years. So it's a pretty good deal for small business employers, but you've got to do the calculation to make sure you qualify. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 303-447-1626.